repulsive as a monkey in a negligee.
If you don't count all the ones you've dated.
Nope. Damn it.
Give me a treasure.
Well, if I had any, you'd be the first one to get
Damn it.
Arr.
Let's go again. I got some good answers though.
You'd better leave now if you value your life.
Your treasure or your life?
You won't live to regret this.
Killing you would be justifiable homicide.
Oh, yeah?
No answer for that.
You're as repulsive as a monkey in a negligee.
Oh, yeah?
There we go. Dated.
I'll skewer you like a sow at a buffet.
I am rubber, you are glue.
Alright. Got this.
You win!
Give me your treasure. Ya bat-sized sea sponge.
Take it. It was clutter enough to hold anyway.
We're
Alright.
loaded with booty.
We can upgrade again. Where be the pirates? There they are. Nope. Shit. I think I've hit him more than he hit me. Nope. Oh, that was lame ass shot. This is Warships 0.5 that we're playing. Bam. Oh, this goes slow. Please win turn. There's no use. Oh damn, he hit me. Got it.
Boarding a pirate ship can be hazardous to your life.
Your treasure or your life?
Good luck, boy.
You're as repulsive as a monkey in a negligee.
I am rubber, you are glue.
No answer for that.
I'll skewer you like a sow at a buffet.
When I'm done with you, you'll be a boneless fillet.
Got it.
You're the ugliest monster ever created.
If you don't count all the ones you've dated.
Ha!
Killing you would be justifiable homicide.
I am rubber, you are glue.
Got it.
You win.
Give me your treasure.
The treasure is yours.
We're loaded with booty.
Alright, I think we can upgrade more.
Back again, mister?
I'd like to buy some cannons for my pirate ship. I'll take the Pain Giver 2000.
The Pain Giver 2000 it is. Mom!
Good. We don't need to defeat one more to upgrade it. I want to finish this sea quest thing, and then then we'll call it a night. No. Haha. Ow. Eat that. Eat that. Eat that. Eat that. Got him.
You'd better leave now if you value your life.
Give me your treasure and I'll let you live.
Good luck, boy.
You're as repulsive as a monkey in a negligee.
I look that much like your fiance?
Ouch.
I have never seen such clumsy swordplay.
I look that much like your fiancé?
Nope.
I leave you devastated, mutilated, and perforated.
It was a joy again watching you stream, mate, and along with the Brilliant Game. Yeah, I'm not done yet.
With you around, I'd prefer to be fumigated.
I didn't pay attention, shit. Alright, try again.
Treasure!
If I had treasure, don't you think I'd spend it before grappling with the likes of you?
I suppose you would. Never mind then.
Let's go again.
Who are you?
I'm Guybrush Threepwood, a mighty pirate.
Don't make me laugh.
I'll leave you devastated, mutilated, and perforated.
Your odor alone makes me aggravated, agitated, and infuriated.
Ouch.
Heaven preserve me, you look like something that's died.
Oh, I don't have a response for that.
Well, I'm fit to be tied.
You can't match my witty repartee.
When I'm done with you, you'll be a boneless fillet.
Nope. Gosh darn it.
Give me your treasure.
I haven't got any treasure. Why do you think I was attacking you?
You'd better leave now if you value your life.
I'm Guybrush Threepwood.
Let's go
a mighty
again.
pirate.
Don't make me laugh.
I have never seen such
That one.
clumsy swordplay.
Oh yeah?
No response on that.
You can't match my witty repartee.
Oh yeah?
Heaven preserve me, you look like something that's died.
I'm shaking, I'm shaking.
Alright, got him.
You win.
Give me your treasure. Yeah, grubby bilge swigger.
The treasure is yours.
We're loaded with booty.
Nice. Next one. Of course, the wind is against me. That's a shame. There he is. Oh, he hit me, the bastard. Don't turn that way, gosh darn it. Bam. Thought I would have him by now. Shoot! There we go.
You best sail away before you get hurt.
I'm Guybrush Threepwood, a mighty pirate.
Don't make me laugh.
Heaven preserve me, you look like something that's dying.
There we go.
The only way you'll be preserved is in formaldehyde. You're as repulsive as a monkey in a negligee.
I look
I
that
look
much like your
much like
fiancé.
your fiancé? You can't match my witty repartee.
Oh, yeah?
Right.
I have never seen such clumsy swordplay.
You would have, but you're always running away.
Nice.
I'll skewer you like a sow at a buffet.
When I'm done with you, you'll be a boneless fillet.
Got him.
You win!
Give me your treasure.
I didn't want it anyway. It's got that horrible curse.
What?
Only kidding.
We're loaded with booty.
Alright, we got enough for the last kind of cannons, and I think we should be able to take him now.
Back again, mister?
I'd like to buy some cannons for my pirate ship. I'll take the Destructomatic T-47.
Whoa, mister. You've entered a select group.
There
of
we go.
pirates. You've just ordered the Destructomatic T-47 armor-piercing carnage delivery system with auto-loading and fax modem. Quite a fine piece of hardware if
Fax
I do
modem.
say so myself. Mom!
Now we're rolling, bitches. Now we're rolling. Alright, let's continue. If I'm correct, this should be the last one. Really fearsome pirates already got them, right? Let's try to defeat Nottingham. Haha. Ow. Oh, how did I miss? Haha. There we go.
Here for another whipping?
Oh, are you gonna get it?
Your looks would make pigs nauseated.
If you don't count all the ones you've dated.
Ding, haha, haha.
Your mother wears a toupee.
I look that much like your fiancé?
No, thought so.
You're a disgrace to your species. You're so undignified.
Undignified.
The only way you'll be preserved is in formaldehyde.
No? Ah.
When I'm done, your body will be rotted and putrefied.
The only way you'll be preserved is in formaldehyde.
What? I thought that was one, though. Darn it.
Now get off my boat before I maroon you on the island of clumsy dental assistance.
Darn it.
If you're looking for a fight, you found one.
Alright.
Treasure, you know.
You wouldn't lie to me, would you?
Yeah.